Welcome back to the fourth tutorial on style references. This time, it's about the numbers 10,151 to 10,200. In every future tutorial, I will now also use Runway Gen-3 to build an avatar from one of the images of the selected style references. This time, it's an old bearded man in front of his laptop, mumbling to himself. I hope you like it. Before we begin, style references, or as commonly referred to in Midjourney, --sref, are predefined codes that affect your image results quite significantly. These differ not only in terms of style and image, but also in terms of color. As there are so many of these codes, immersing yourself in this matter is always a bit of a journey of discovery. And the best thing is, once you have decided on a style, all you have to do is concentrate on the short text sequence, i.e., the core prompt of what you want to express with your image. Don't forget the aspect ratio at the end of each prompt. In our case, we use 16.9, and, as of today, quality level 2 to ensure the best possible output. And of course, the style reference must not be missing. Simply enter --sref, a space in the number of your choice. You will find the corresponding number in large letters on the right so that you can assign the images to the style code. Let's get started. Shall we? We will use the following. Very simple basic prompt, a dwarf with a laptop for this tutorial. Of course, you can also use a prompt of your choice, something unusual if necessary. Working with Midjourney and creating images is always fun because you can try things that don't exist in reality. See you on the Midjourney website in a moment. $10,151, 10,152, 10,153, 10,154, 10,155, 10,156, 10,157, 10,158, 10,159, 10,160, 10,161, 10,162, 10,163, 10,164, 10,165, 10,166, 10,167, 10,168, 10,169, 10,170, 10,171, 10,172, 10,173, 10,174, 10,175, 10,176, 10,177, 10,178, 10,179, 10,180, 10,181, 10,182, 10,183, 10,184, 10,185, 10,186, 10,187, 10,188, 10,189, 10,190, 10,191, 10,192, 10,193, 10,194, 10,195, 10,196, 10,197, 10,198, 10,199, 10,200. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI. Now you know.